Love your walk. We need to do these things more often, baby.
Yeah, definitely.
Carry the next step. And we're going to do it, baby.
Just think more on that now still though. There's something to talk to you about. Yeah. I think more, you know.
More? Of course, you always want more. What kind of more you want? What kind of more you want? Tell me.
Just want to be more spontaneous, you know.
Yeah, talk about.
Feel like so we can maybe buy one handcuff. One time, me do my thing. You know, so you can't move, you know.
You know, so I like to move anyway, so why you don't want to tie me up? That doesn't sound too... I don't know.
But anyways, we can think about it.
Alright, we think about it.
So yeah, how's work?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A long time I want a boy. Walk on, Shan.
Sorry.
Hello.
What's up?
I'm there. Just there to take a walk with Alton through the lawn and thing.
Alton?
Yes. He ain't got no one part of this. So I'll go.
I'm just there. So I come breeze out a little bit for the sun there.
Okay. So I'm just there for run come around here, come find you because while ago, after me and him I have this nice walk. Long time we don't really spend some quality time together, you know. So I didn't walk the nice and everything, and then after we reach a one part, we stop and say, yo, you know for everything I go on, but you kind of want a little bit more. What kind of more you really feel like say, boy, I want? My heart and tell me, say, you're not interested in a little bondage. You know, like to tie me up and you could do a little thing with me, constrained.
I never know say into them things there.
Me, after me not into them things there, me tell him some not too like them things there still, but me tell him some me think about it, you know, because...
Nobody think about nothing, nobody go down them road there with him.
But I'm a boyfriend and we are come from far, you know, we have enough things so we accomplished so far. Me see him as the one, you know, me see him as possibly later down, but no, not right now, but me see him as that, so...
What if I'm going to push you into doing things where you don't want to do?
Why? No, say my push me still, but maybe we can think about it. That's why I don't want to talk to you about it. What do you think?
Hey, what do you mean by tie you up on them things there? Them things they lower your self-esteem I come talk about. Tie up. I make no boy tie you up here. That me I say, I make no boy tie you up.
We're a friend for a long time still, you know, from primary school days to be exact. So, you never steer me wrong, you know, and when you put it like that, you say you only want to tie me up after we have flourished.
Lower your self-esteem. Him alpha and you are not even omega.
Alright. I'm going to take what you say still in consideration and I'm going to talk to him about it. I tell him, I tell him how I feel about it. So.
Tell him if you're going to make your next woman do that, because I'm sure you have a next woman. What? You don't have to put it to him, say, no, but I'm sure.
He never really showed me a sign of that still, you know. I not put it past no man, you know. Don't get me wrong. But he never really showed me a sign of that still.
No, because he not show you a sign, them no mean say he not do it. Someone know if you hide them thing, you know. Someone well private and well secretive. You did know Sam did into all of this bondage and tie up shit. Well, first of all, where him come from with them tie up shit here? Probably somebody else will show him that and they must say, oh, I'm come try this with Tori.
Still don't know. Where him learn them things there from? Is it that he did always like this? But me and him there for so long.
And he never showed them things there before. How smart did this come from? Remember me tell you?
Me and him are going to have a conversation.
Right way.
For sure. So, thanks again for your ever so awesome advice.
How you find me out here as a girl? Next time, maybe go change my hiding place then because you find me too easy.
But me say
bye.
Me say like a word, me call him.
Alright.
Hello?
Alton.
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Shan.
Tory friend Shan. Me down by the golf course and me here say that's where you there too. You not leave it.
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Which Shan? Which Shan?
Tory.
I have about 6 Shan in this phone.
Tory friends Shan.
Tory friend?
Yeah.
How will you get my number?
Know yourself what how me get the number. Me here say the golf course. Me there around I'm back there, so come give me a link. Me have something where me feel like you need to see right now. Something we need the attention right now. Serve!
Yeah. Good afternoon. Can I get one bottle of water, please? I'm thirsty. Tough. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, what happened? Now what happened? Now what happened me? I'm just see a while ago na kiss nigga, you know. Lie? Which lie? Me just see a kiss nigga a while ago. Me give you a chance. And I still can't do it again. Yo. Can't believe girl. Say really go do that again after me really give you a chance and you tell me say nah do it again. I'm really put my trust in you. I still go do it. I don't want to do things and I'm sorry after. So you know what you do for me? Just come off of my phone. Can't believe something is really happened to me again, Jaja. Father God, why me so bad looking so? Why? Why? Why me? Why me can't just find a proper woman in my life though? Cha.
Babes. What happened? Where can pump people phone from? What do you mean by that? Hold on there. May I take a seat? Hold on.
In my life, why I be a cross is me I pick up. Yo.
I don't understand them something here, you know. What you talk about? Me don't know what you talk about. I'm clueless. Alright, don't hear me I come right now. Because I don't understand them something here what you say to me. Junior! Can I make sure I call me? Come on, I cannot answer. Junior! Junior! I Tony I call my phone for all an idea, yeah. When I call my phone for? Hello? What you want, Tony? I not leave with you no way, I just answer what you want. I'm in a good mood today. I no plan to let my yard today, you know. What? What you really say to me? Alright, I soon come then. Give me 15 minutes. See, it's not a problem. Outside. Tony!
Come out there, son, now.
You want to say what Jonah him just call me and tell me about him brother call him and tell him say me a cheat on him.
What you say to me?
Yes sir, so when you call me and tell me say you catch your woman as a cool man too. Me a feel say then I could have really have one idea. I could have really cast them missing thing.
Hold on there. Cause the rain a come now, I'm lock up the window. Alright, good night, Father. Okay, I even good on the phone now. I tell myself if I did me in a few shows and probably say I disrespect you. See me right now, I'm not going to mash up the girl.
Funny, don't know about with that right now. Me understand what you say, you know. Tell me what real go on. What you say I'm with you on her?
Kim, that's my 3-year anniversary. My girlfriend said I never carried it. So, I go book a hotel room. I never have no money in my pocket to take no taxi come home. So, on the way walking come home. You know, say do me see girl, I bust out one nigga tongue.
What you say to me?
She never bust out my tongue so yet, you know, never, you know.
Then you don't know what to say. As you are telling me this a story, I see him thing with me today with my man. Jonah really call me today and let him say, oh, him brother, tell him say him see me down a hotel with man. Poor me, you know, poor me. I don't know what Junior brother could have seen me with man. And he call me and tell me how sort of foolishness. Okay, what are you? I say me a go down a boy yard. And me a beat down the grill and me a call and he in a house and him not answer me. I call Junior phone, Junior not answer. I text him, he not answer. I holler down my throat, told him not answer. I don't know what to do next. You think I look a struggle, me and Junior struggle over the years? You think I look a fight, me and him fight? I don't go hungry, we'll be here together, you know. You want me to tell me, say?
Hush, man.
Really
Stop it crying, man. You're not crying, man. Things are better, man. Oh. Stop it crying, man. Everything are alright with them, man. Stop it crying.
No, I do not do this to me.
I just so life set, man. Just stop crying for me now, please, now. Please, now, stop crying now. Stop crying, man. Wipe out your face, yeah. Stop crying, push.
Make sure I keep out between me and your secret, you know. Come in on nobody know.
That good man can't keep that secret. But I wish you never have to go so early.
Yeah, I'll go down and go cook some food here. We call you later. Alright. Hello? Junior? What? Prank. What do you mean a prank you did a prank me? Me mama clock.
What one?
Where you are going at night, yeah?
You talk about when me I go. And when you are go them time of hours you look so hot.
No, say don't me yard me I go do.
Oh, Brownie, you know, it's a long time I like you.
You like me, so long you take to tell me that.
But I wouldn't mind could I know more about you, you know? Where you go out and try to anywhere you want to go. Do some skydiving and thing you want, you see me? All for me, you know? Oh, you bite up your lip themselves like in a mood, man. What you say about that? Well, not you know, like me enjoy it, you know.
Me too.
Wow, when I wish if we can see all that time if you have a look comfortable, you know. How to do it in a very comfortable.
Yeah, come in never ready for done yet.
Alright, me have your number still. So me will call you because I don't want to keep you out too late, so time already late, so we'll link up, yeah?
Alright then.
Alright, you come on. I'm gonna go on the whole road tonight. Wow, what a night.
Look like she get the job done.
Hello.
Yeah, you deal with the thing?
Job done, man. The boy want little piece. Right name is Gigi. Me know a place stand at him one did it too. Yeah. Yeah, man, tomorrow we can go dusty boy. I must send some pictures still. You can see the place state set up and thing, isn't me?
Good job, babe. So, one thing more I could do now is come by me. I'm not exactly at the house now, but I'm on my way there. Make sure you come soon.
Alright, so now.
Can't believe so much left there to pay them in I sink. I'm the one tired to tell him all this, you know. And then now you know chat about me miserable. Watch out.
No, man. That's what we take the boy and chill.
Yo, Roger.
Oh, you wicked, so man. You couldn't call me, man.
Yeah, well, you know, I was there. I text you, see you send that. Yeah, man, from the start, text say just like me, I say, yo, level out.
Yo, we have to go link up and celebrate for now.
Yeah, man, that's simple and cheap, man. We can link, man, but you know, say, no fitting could be right, so not to do it like that.
Yeah, man, alright. I'm call the brownie right now.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
What me not get is, oh, you make me do them something day and I feel no way about it.
Because if you want me to feel that way, if you really want to find out about me, just do what you do for me now, for your next man, and so on.
Alright. So, babes, what I'm to with this man? Why him? Why? You know what? We go through all of this. Why this man?
I'm not normal to do this, I understand, but I'm not really him. I understand. I'm up a virgin named Richie. And my man I really want to get rid of, but that's for next time. Huh?
Wow. There. Yes, I'm not going nowhere today.
No matter how many times I'm going to call this still, you know. Want to link up back.
Yeah. So we can meet up today then.
Yeah, man, I'll get a location.
Okay. Alright then. Just call me when you're ready.
Alright, that's it. Stay tuned, yeah? Okay, baby. Love you.
I go link up today.
So, you know the location?
You might go say it to me.
Alright. Boy, I could bring in Virgin, man. Same man I tell about. Alright, tell her where though. Link up with him. When I go up on the location, text me or call me, anything. Let me know what I want. I probably have to take out to you today.
Alright.
Alright, so just deal with that, right?
Alright.
So, yes, my beautiful people, that has been it. We have arrived at the end of another video. Kindly, please, thank you. Leave a like on the video, subscribe if it's your first time over here and you're not yet subscribed. And Mr. Lawrence shall see you in another video. Little more.
The place lock up long time, man, and then stop using.
Yeah, man. A long time the place locked down. That's how we come and to use it. Forward.
So when you say you're going now, Candy?
About the partner I come to talk to you about. That's why I carry up here. So I like if you give me first draw.
First draw.
Because I have something to start out. I have more than one thing to start out. So I wouldn't mind you can help me. What can you do for me?
Yeah, man, that's no problem. As a matter of fact, me a piece of food in a bus, you know. Me I go get it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem, man. First draw, remember say me a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though. Me see you have new phone and things, like things that go on for you, me like it. Look good. Wow, that taste good. Pick up yourself, my friend. Who buy it for you?
Between me and you know. I want a man them when me I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So me next phone mash up and you just hurry up and buy it.
Between me and you, me and your friend. If you stop doing something there, you know, I cannot, man.
And I second down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story. Worry about them dirty man. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything will turn out good. The man did married. I mean, you know. One day me go through his stuff them and me find one wedding paper. When he come from work, me ask him about it. He say no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on this side. You know tell me, a people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there with one woman up there and the woman three pitney them. Why you take me for? Me run him my man. Run him me shame like a dog. Me can't every time I walk on the road me have to hold on my head. That's why me have to the chapter now Candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, and they can do. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, that's why me did let go of country. I remember say me tell you say me pregnant. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this song. Me tell him say me no want hear nothing the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say me go do me this and do me that. But just the good thing about it, every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him if he come out of the house, man, pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the three daughter, he don't want me. He not going out there so make him stay out there, man.
You know say true? And enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as I say one man, if you fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like I in church boy, you know we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
Because me ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, me have to call them kind of man there boy, because good man now do them something there. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it then time they like to give me. So you know say, if the man want one high cement on me, because you see to me I say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man not understand settle down, then just see a road and say, you know, say I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay forever when they know deep down they're not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man you stay. That's why me I continue chopping now. Candy, they come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want here. And then they have we round and round like a circle. Me not stop, girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants a chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a Candy. Them are no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes.
as maybe I tell you about the little dirty man when me did there with before. Girl, me say if he want ice mint, me give him. Anything at all he want, me give him as long as me have it. The sun in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you, you know. But guess what? Me want to come from around so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? You good enough, Candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I chop in non-stop. You can't settle down in a Candy. But you're a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money for you.
Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, it's me go call you. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker. You know, so me up on the road with my friend. So me if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, me I come. Girl, what me say? Chappings.
Show there. When night come, can't go on my bed enough. So what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to take your money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet you 10.
See it. Check.
Check it, really check this up. Everything, ma'am.
Alright, let me see what it is. Way out.
Time.
2 pairs. This is where I've been fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games. What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm not wrong with truth or dare, you know. You sure you can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you will go first then. Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know you don't go so soft, you know. But I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they forward you, so you'd have put it on them? Right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes. Papi, alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna
Okay.
sound like him.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for sex 20x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason, the devil's pitney himself. May I do it still? Alright, do you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? Dare. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with who?
Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this I feel next time we'll focus on your dear now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor. this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital. He's had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decide to make the first step.
The first step. I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move when I know I say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not looking at next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You wanna have a good time? A good time I gonna get. Meanwhile, we wait on the food. I get to know each other. How you like the bus go? That was amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember, I have a man, you know. This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Boy, I have to left work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, go and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come out, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. I have to tell you something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the it was just fun. It was just fun and games, and it was all over, but I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean it was just fun? It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No, I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment, but it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! Great.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house, and there's no food, so I'm kind of stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple days now, so can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything is
okay? It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So, let's go in.
Okay.
I can believe the Brad actually put me out. Yeah, I know, right? Saying he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? All right. All right. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
Oh boy, this girl not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here? Yeah. I don't care about it, I will be the down in there, isn't it? Yeah. Isn't it? Yeah. Alright. Yo, deal with it now.
Yeah, deal with it.
Just relax yourself, man. I don't kill all things already. You need to force yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August. And it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. When we come.
We don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long, and I'm just a command us buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something. So, I kinda I think about them things, you see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party. I need a support. I'm no business about Andrew Oldness, and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping, and I need some money.
Alright, now yourself, man. Never fall. But you can charge me 80,000 or the dollar.
I'm so far on them, man. You give me a call.
You ain't here.
I'm so far on them, man. No one I do on that. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know, I'm come, alright?
Oh.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I go in my book, and kind of get a little one piece, you know? I just feel emotional, love it, but
yo, Papa.
shocking.
Look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zin.
Little girl, come here. Can I do something for me? Can I do something for me, please? You know the brown girl from the south? Bully shot, you little brown shot there, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to give her this for me, here. Give her this for me, here. Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see people. I'll give it.
Your mom up there, so give me.
A brown girl over there, so bully the shot. She ain't give it figure?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you, can go on. Are you going to send little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, I make her. I make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl don't want you. You know how long me see ya right later send go by ya. I mean never see girl make a attempt to come contact you or anything. You know say girl don't want you.
Kira, you left all the way from down there, so. Down there, so. Come up here, so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me my paper. Give me my paper. Give me my paper.
Okay.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's only two people them down there, so when they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Papa, come here. Give me 2 grand, brother.
You can't be this really the 2 grand. You really a lay wait me for. I said we come down.
Our mission to go deal with it about now.
No good for borrow. Not really good for borrow.
Hey, look what I'm this up.
Uncle Papa and me done this look pan. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know the girl when you're bullisha?
Yeah, you don't go well live right on this up.
Yeah. And I decided they quarrel. And I know 2,000 they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl not think that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. No good for borrow.
Must say girl, big bad party I keep us suave. Yes, oh, I keep the party friend. Girl, me say, I reach here Everly big bad yellow party, breakfast party at that. Best the thing now, I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash already there, so I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What do you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this bus you give me. I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what going on, man. Don't worry about the money. I go come pick you up and we go to a party. I have a whole heap of things to tell you. A lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.
Officer smiling. You know what take place out of some?
You know, sir, they are pretty well about because
you don't really know what
I get the full info, and I mean the blueprint not really.
Alright. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know what's happening here?
No.
John no star. Everly. What go on? Do you know what's happening here?
Right, so making the best movies in the universe. Right, yes, though.
Yeah, but specifically that scene I may ask about though.
But just come.
Okay.
I'm new to this specific scene.
Okay.
I'll do something else.
Well, what more you up to from when?
Yeah.
You're just there?
Yeah, I'm going to buy some.
You buy more room? Can I get some? More?
But just young cup.
Yeah, I love how it tastes. You mix it perfect for me. Just carry.
You know, I made a rum mixture.
Alright. See my property there, I always have my name on it, you know.
Hey, property this?
See no see my name on her. Look good, see if you don't see my name on her.
Shakaberry. What do you make a cornstone?
Hey people, we are going to see and go see what going on with them people. That's all. Officer don't know what going on.
No, I don't know what going on.
Friend here don't know what going on either. Missy here. Boy, they ain't hot in that place, though.
I tell you, when you come out, what do you have to carry back?
We're going up there, guys. So God, man always not have no shot. It ain't big good. So how are you going on, sir? Where you feel?
What a movie name for you?
What you say? Hey, we follow them until we find out what go on, people. So you figure out what go on it still, no? Alright. We follow them people.
Kemar there. Show Kemar.
Kemar down here, so see me. Shaka Berry come. Alright, so we're gonna find out what going on, people. In the meantime, just click like on the video and definitely subscribe. No, I think go December, so may have milk cup here as well.
No credit.
Oh, yeah, wait, man, I'm curious. Kemar! I'll get Kemar. Who we get that? Come, we want to talk to you a little bit. What's up?
Talk to me.
No, G's and P's. Behave yourself, woman. Anyways, long time I not see you. What have you been up to? How the
Since the last time we spoke, I don't know if you remember.
Upon your
When I
birthday.
get a call for a job, I did the interview and they called me. I know I'm a front office agent at Sandals Negro.
So how has that been? How has that been?
It
for you?
has been horrible.
So,
but guess what?
Come do some acting, man.
What's acting?
Yeah, do some more news reading and anything there.
I me come first still.
So you gonna do some of that today?
Yeah man, I'm going to do it.
But Everly, you're not dressed like a news lady, you know.
I have my jacket. Me not talk but no pit but a pit no enough for the man. Me have like jacket for go over my shoulder.
So you have your suit up thing already?
Right.
So I got suit up this evening before you go?
I'm just gonna put my jacket on.
Alright, so we are going to see our people suit up. And one next reminder for, as a matter of fact, you tell them, subscribe and like.
Poems by Everly Graham.
And yes, so too.
Richard Brown Films and
Yeah, so that video where them I watch, them for subscribe, yes, so too.
please subscribe to this video.
Yes, thank you.
That's Akeem right there.
Yo, you're gonna make one bad thumbnail, you know. I swear them all click like worries. Just give them 2 poses now. 2 bad boy pose. Boy. One more. 2 boy. No, sir. Richard gonna have hard feet. Later. Yo. How you drive go?
You see the hungry thing
Me not hear curious I say need there now, sir.
Same, sir?
They must want to best of act.
You come right now?
I don't know. Where you gonna buy food?
Hunger.
Where you gonna get food?
It's been hungry.
You rob somebody there? Alright, where you get food and come back then?
Yeah.
Alright, go get food. So people will get food in case curious not stop. We up there so we get some food and come back.
Agent.
Me nah top video you know ever. Nah top video. Cause I know so they go love you in this video. You go hear them ask who is that lady?
They know me. You did an interview with me before.
Yeah, but I saw new people I know every time I subscribe. All the while, they always are subscribe.
Tell me?
Yeah, because I always tell them to subscribe, so I always have new people that subscribe. By the way, people, a couple of them didn't even show earlier. A courtesy
My best friend.
Miss Everly here.
I got.
I made that wait for me. Come on, road.
Are you married?
Who married?
I'm married too.
If who married?
Right, that's
How we are actually them married? You still not drive it?
Road.
Later. So them are my boss, you say they want to get food, but them are shoot. Alright, straight up. Shaka Berry people and I know I didn't get your name, miss. What's your name? Oh, I still don't know your name, people. Alton, this film. Rastaman.
So far there?
Kind of mal out, as you know.
Blood clot now.
Right now?
Too forward. We are forward go.
Talk to her.
Carry over this and shoot the one scene.
Selassie, right away, me forward.
Alright, Selassie, hero.
Work come before belly.
Yeah, of course.
Tragic.
Coming from afar, we have to park the car. Yeah.
Guys, upon our
So quick shoot before food.
Nice.
So Alton, tell me about your plans for locks, you know. And turn real Rasta man.
don't have the jet. This is not a jet.
So yeah, people, big boy, I plan to make one little transformation.
Yeah. I mean, we don't want hungry. They want hungry with the rest of the thing. The rest of the hungry, you know. Oh, look how much food there. The rest of the hungry.
Slash, I know. I
Food there to the limit.
Frost your blows and skirt, watch him.
You want out?
I'm not so brave.
Let me carry.
No, no, come on, carry.
Right now, your bag, can your bag hold some things in it? No. You should have one bag. All right. Hold up.
Bring back in here.
Huh? What is that? So you go carry a bag, in the bag, what you are coming with it? You are coming with everything. You are alone, you are coming with everything. So you are coming in the bag and now, you are in the road. Me in the road, man, I will arrest, man. You are coming with the car now. You are going to go to the road, you go to the car, the car, you are coming. Me and say, yo, here what? You hungry? I guess I may ask if I can get something to eat. So the boy come out there, like you want to pull my foot, pull over the side of the road, or whatever. She come, she goes to where, you can't imagine so. And say, hungry man, hungry, so they have a sitting there where you have. I say, yo, come out, take them and sit and come out the road. It's all right, come out the road. That's it, man. That's not really a showcase for people. Yeah, come see everything we are doing. Hungry is a food I told. A food I told, I can't cross it. Eh? You go for candy. When you for candy with it, you don't take it from them. Yes. You just push off. Moment later, I lost money having just to go and go look up girl and save her life. Yeah, but you get a pair of cracker and then that's why you can hold that bag. In the last man, when we didn't know you remember to have that in your bag, right? Take out it and give me that man. You show me the two bag get one. Put it on what is the have it well, my love. And you're gone. Hungry, man. You have come out of the car now.
Yes. Ready? Come out the road, man. Let me say that.
Yeah, come back. Take us some food. Food. Food, man. Food. Hungry. You know that food. Hungry, man. Hungry. Food.
Come out the road. Come out the road.
I say this boss is saying hungry too. Boss is saying hungry too. Man say no come out the road.
Hold on. You been here, Karen? Come on. Come out the road, King. How are you the road?